So here we'll see built-in tuple functions. So what are the built-in functions or built-in tuples? So one is length, we can find the length of the tuple. The next is max, we can find the max element in a given tuple. And the next is min, we can find the minimum elements in a tuple. And the next is tuple of list. That means we can convert a list to tuple. So these are some of the built-in functions or built-in tuples. So let me see this in my Python IDE. So I'll print length of tuple. This is the function, and I can pass this parameter tuple to that, and it gives me 6. This tuple has 6 elements, so that is 1. And then you can find the max element in a tuple. So I'll define a tuple numbers, or I will call it tuple numbers, and I'll give variables like, and I'll give numbers like 1, 45, 67, 89, 900, 1213. So these are tuple numbers. So here I'll call tuple max, and then I'll call tuple min. So we can see this max and min functions on tuples. So first it should print something like 1, 2, 3, 3, 4, and next it will print me 1. It is saying me, I think, string and integer, because I have passed this tuple here and I have given this tuple as tuple numbers. You can see this error string and integers are missed here, because in this tuple we have combination of strings and integers. So we cannot perform max and min operations on those tuples. We need to give here tuple numbers as a parameter to this min and max functions. So now we can see 1, 2, 3, 3, 4 as the max element and 1 as the minimum element. So these are the operations max and min elements in tuple. And we can also give a list. This is a list, guys. In the previous video I have told you 1, 2, 3. This is a list. Now I will pass this list print tuple, and I will pass this list as its parameter. So now it should print me the list. It should print me tuple. So list is 1, 2, 3. So if I print this list here, print you can see this is the list, and after I'm using this tuple function, it's converted to this tuple. So this list is converted to tuple. These are some of the built-in tuple functions.